Prime Minister Narendra Modi will visit Eslos Elmu, Germany tomorrow for G7 summit at invitations of Chancellor of Germany Olaf Scholz. Briefing media in New Delhi, Foreign Secretary Vinay Mohan Quata said, besides India, Germany has also invited Argentina, Indonesia, Senegal and South Africa to the summit. He said during the visit, the Prime Minister will hold bilateral meetings with the leaders of G7 and guest countries on the sidelines of the summit. Quatra said the Prime Minister is scheduled to participate in 2 sessions at the G7 summit on Monday. The first session related to climate, energy and health, and the second session is on food security and gender equality. The Foreign Secretary said PM Modi is scheduled to have interactions with the Indian diaspora at a community event in Germany. He said after attending the G7 summit, Prime Minister will be traveling to United Arab Emirates on Tuesday to pay personal condolences on the passing away of Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan, the former UAE President and Abu Dhabi ruler. This will be Prime Minister's first meeting with Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan since his elections as the new President of UAE and ruler of Abu Dhabi.